Feel, heal, thrive. Feel, heal, thrive with the help of Bach Flower Remedies.
Welcome back, my dear. How are you doing today? We are continuing our journey through the many layers of confidence. So far, we've explored confidence in our abilities with large, confidence in our worthiness with pine, and confidence to trust our intuition with serrato. Today, we're exploring another layer of confidence, the confidence that comes from self-acceptance. Because sometimes the greatest obstacle to confidence is the quiet feeling that there is something about us that simply isn't good enough. Perhaps it's something about our appearance. Perhaps it's a habit, a weakness, or simply a part of our personality we've struggled to accept. If this feels familiar, today's remedy, crab apple, may gently support you. Before we start, let's arrive here fully together with a deep breath. And now, let's begin with a few questions. Do you ever focus on one small flaw while overlooking everything that is beautiful about yourself? Do you find it difficult to accept certain parts of yourself, your appearance, your personality? Do you spend a great deal of time trying to improve yourself before allowing yourself to feel confident? Do you sometimes feel embarrassed by things about you that other people hardly seem to notice? Do you believe you'll finally feel good enough once one specific thing changes? When someone compliments you, do you find yourself dismissing their words because you can't quite see what they see? When was the last time you looked at yourself with genuine kindness? If these questions resonate, crabapple may help you. Crabapple is the remedy of cleansing, but the cleansing it offers isn't simply physical, it is emotional. It gently helps us release the feeling that there is something fundamentally ugly or wrong with us. Dr. Bach described the crabapple for those who want to be free from one particular imperfection they are overly focused on. Sometimes that focus is on appearance. Sometimes it's simply the feeling that they are somehow not quite right. The point isn't the imperfection itself, it's the attention we give it. One small detail slowly becomes the entire picture, and everything else fades into the background. Other people often don't even notice the flaw we're so concerned about. They see the whole person. But we see only the one thing we'd like to change. Let me give you a few examples. Perhaps you receive 10 compliments, yet one small criticism stays with you for days. Or maybe every time you look in the mirror, your attention goes immediately to the feature you dislike, while overlooking everything else that makes you uniquely you. Or maybe you're waiting for life to begin after you lose weight, become more successful, feel more attractive, or finally become the version of yourself you think you should be. Many of us experience moments like these, but when they become our way of seeing ourselves, confidence quietly begins to disappear. Because every time we focus only on what we believe is wrong with us, we send ourselves a painful message. Who I am today isn't enough. Over time, that belief can shape the way we see every part of our lives. So what happens when we take crabapple? We begin seeing ourselves more clearly. Our imperfections no longer define us. We begin treating ourselves with the same compassion we so naturally offer to the people we love, because we begin to love ourselves exactly as we are. Little by little, something beautiful begins to grow. Self-acceptance, one of the deepest foundations of genuine confidence. Crabapple brings a wonderful feeling of inner freshness, a quiet sense of peace with ourselves. We no longer feel that we must fix everything before allowing ourselves to fully participate in life. We start thinking, I am worthy of kindness. I am worthy of love. I am enough to take the next step. I'd like to leave you with a few gentle reflections. What if the part of yourself you've been trying hardest to change simply needs compassion? What if your imperfections are only one small part of a much bigger picture? What if they are what beautifully define your uniqueness? What if you could begin appreciating yourself exactly as you are? And what if confidence begins the moment you stop measuring your worth by your flaws? As you move through your week, I invite you to notice where your attention naturally goes. Does it often settle on what you wish were different? Pause, take one slow breath, and discover the wonderful, natural, and effective help in the drops of crabapple. I've included a link in the show notes for you, explaining how to use Bach Flower Remedies. They are 100% natural and completely safe for everyone at every stage of life. If you wanted to talk to me instead, for questions or consultations, you'll find me at feel-heal-thrive.com. I dropped that link too in the episode description. You can also join the Feel, Heal, Thrive community by subscribing to the newsletter on my website. you'll get your free emotional healing starter kit to begin experiencing Bach Flower Remedies as Dr. Bach intended right away. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If this episode resonated with you, I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any future chapter of the Emotional Roots of Confidence series. Until next time, take good care of yourself and your emotions, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Elena Amaro, Bach Flower Remedies expert, professional practitioner, and Bach Foundation registered practitioner, and this is Feel, Heal, Thrive.